Do you ever feel like you're doing everything right, you're working overtime, you're saving what you can, and somehow you still can't breathe financially? That's because the system was never built to reward your hard work. It rewards people who owns things like assets, investments, property, not just people who work for things. You cannot outwork inflation. You cannot outwork taxes. The only way to win in this game is to stop working for your money and start making your money work for you. I used to believe that hard work was the key to success. I said yes to every shift, every side hustle, anything that would bring any more money in, but somehow I was still stuck. I worked myself into 6 figures of debt, not only because I was careless, but because I didn't understand how money really worked. When I finally learned this, I went from 6 figures of debt to 6 figures of investments, and that's when it hit me. Working hard might make you a living, but it will never make you wealthy. Most of us were taught how to earn money, but no one ever taught us what to do with it once we earned it. From school, we were trained to work for somebody else, to go collect a paycheck, save what's left, and then hope it was enough. But saving alone will not make you wealthy because prices keep rising while your money sits still. Have you ever noticed how everything goes up each year, but your paycheck just stays the same? That's what we call inflation. It quietly steals the value of your money whilst you're working harder thinking that you're getting ahead. But wealthy people, they play a different game. They ask one simple question: what is my money doing whilst I sleep? And if the answer is nothing, that's the problem. Because money is supposed to be a worker. When you work for a job, you are the worker. When you invest, your money becomes the worker. And the goal is to have your money working for you more than what you are. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine 2 women. One's called Sarah, another one is called Lisa. Both of them earn the same amount of income. They both work hard, but Sarah spends first and then saves what's left. Lisa saves first and then spends what's left. Sarah buys things that lose value: new clothes, a nicer car, extra things. Lisa buys things that grow: small investments, simple funds, anything that quietly brings money back to her. After 1 year, Sarah has memories, Lisa has momentum. After 10 years, Sarah is still working for her bills, Lisa's money is paying for hers. That is not luck, that is financial literacy, and it's understanding the purpose of money. Money has one job: to move. When you tell it where to go, it grows. When you let it sit still, it shrinks. Every pound that you earn should have purpose. Some pounds pay your bills, some pounds build your future, and some pounds they need to go out and work and bring in more pounds back with them. Here's what wealthy people do differently and why it works. Number 1, they understand the purpose of money. Money isn't meant to sit, it's meant to move with purpose. When it moves in the right direction, it starts to multiply. Number 2, they treat money like a worker, not a reward. They don't celebrate by spending everything that they earn. They give their money jobs, some to cover life, some to build for the future, and some to work on their behalf. 3, they stop trading time for money. If you only get paid when you show up, your income will always be capped. When you build things that earn, even when you're not working, that's when income turns into wealth. The why is simple: because time is the real currency. You can always make more money, but you cannot make more time. And the real reason to invest isn't just to have more money, it's to buy your life back and to buy your freedom. Hard work is good, it builds discipline, it builds character, but if hard work alone built wealth, every single hard-working person would be rich, but they're not. Hard work was designed to help you survive. Wisdom is what helps you multiply. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Be honest, what is the one thing that you wish you could change about your money right now? Is it more savings? Is it less debt? Or finally seeing your money grow instead of it just disappear every single month when you get paid? Drop it in the comments. I love reading your answers. Because a few years ago, I was sitting exactly where you are. I had 6 figures of debt and I had no idea how to turn it around. But once I learned how money really works and I started putting my income to work for me, I went from 6 figures of debt to 6 figures of investments. And that's what happens when you stop working for your money and you start making your money work for you. And that's exactly what I'll be teaching inside my next live challenge. It's where I'll show you what wealthy people do differently and why it works, so you can start building real financial freedom for yourself. To register, just click the link in the description box below. And don't forget to like and follow for more tips to help you get your money working for you. I'll see you inside the challenge.